Applying blockchain technology to buy tickets and receive rewards, done automatically via smart contracts. Mega LTR offers two types of lottery, LTR Millions and LTR Power. Welcome back guys to another episode of Expert Studio. In this video I am going to tell you each and everything regarding the Mega LTR platform. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update regarding crypto. First of all, basically the advantages of Mega LTR. Basically people in a country cannot buy lotteries from another country. That means that people can only buy lotteries where they live. If they want to buy lotteries from another country, they have to come to that country. So with the help of Mega LTR, you have the chance to buy the lottery tickets from your own home country. Secondly, the rules of LTR Millions and LTR Power are very simple. Basically 2 USD for a ticket, special price 40 million US dollar. Tickets and rewards, you can say calculated in USD and paid by MLR at the actual exchange rate at the time of occurrence. Within 24 hours from the type from the time of, you can say, the prize drawing, the reward will be automatically transferred to the winners on ERC20 wallets on megaltr.com. As you can see right now, it is available on the Windex exchange, on La Token exchange and also on the Bitcratic exchange. So you can easily buy this token directly from these exchanges. And it is very simple to basically sign up on the main platform of Mega LTR. First of all, you have to enter your email address, then your password, then your confirmed password, then you have to sort out the CAPTCHA and you just have to click on create my account. Then basically they will send you an email, you have to confirm that and then you can easily log in. After login, you have all the option and very simple. It is very simple to buy the tickets on Mega LTR platforms. Players must have two cryptocurrencies, MLR to pay for tickets and Ethereum to pay gas costs. Gas charges are collected by the Ethereum network. The gas fees that the Ethereum network collects are not fixed but fluctuate over time as determined by the Etherscan.io network. ERC20 wallet has MLR and Ethereum can withdraw anytime and withdraw as much as you want. So that is such a great thing. And as you can see it by yourself on the main platform that it is available on all the exchanges and also on the CoinMarketCap. So you can easily basically buy this token, and I am telling you a hidden truth that very soon you can see a huge pump on the price of MLR. So it is your time to buy this token at very low price. Basically, main mission of MLR to help people to check their luck. They can buy tickets anytime and from anywhere for the opportunity to win the huge prizes. So I will share all the links in the description so you can easily buy this token directly from these exchanges. Thank you.